What's up, YouTube? CJ the Maestro, I'm back. And I'm just now getting the invitation to do the Reason 9.5 beta test. And as you see, one of my favorite dolls, Maschine, is loaded up inside of Reason 9.5. So I can do whatever. I have battery loaded up. There's battery. You know, I can make a beat with, I can make my drums in battery, put a sample in Maschine, add some synths, Thors or whatever with Reason. You know, this is gonna be a good year once this the actual 9.5 version drops. I'm in awe right now. I'm truly amazed that I can incorporate everything that I do inside of Reason, which I'll probably still track out in Studio One, but it's just the fact that I can use some of the instruments that I like and some of the refills that I like in Reason. Now it can coexist with my Maschine and my native instrument software. So this is gonna be a crazy thing, man. Like I said, for all you Maschine users, there it is right there. Plain as day. You can't ask for nothing better than that. And like I said, here's battery right there. And if I go in here and add if I go ahead and add contact, now I can have contact coexisting with, Reason. I mean, it's just endless things that we can do now. We're not stuck in this box anymore. My Waves plugins, I can use my Waves plugins in Reason 9.5. It's crazy, man. This is CJ the Maestro, Hood Hitters the Squad. I just had to do a quick review. I'm going to do another review more in depth, but I just now downloaded this 9.5, and I was downloading my plugins, and I got excited, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a video about it. Reason 9.5 and Maschine 2.6.5 coexisting together. Let's go. 2017. Hood Hitters the Squad, Off the Scales Records. What's up to my boy Travis, aka DJ 1 Ounce, Big Cuz. What's up to Grand Heat Beats. What's up to Jay Stone of the Lost Boys. And I'm out.